Hello and welcome everyone to a new video. In today's video I will show you how to use the Home tab, previously called Listen Now, on Apple Music. So to do this, it's so easy. You have just to go to Apple Music, and as you can see, this is the Home tab, and previously that tab was called Listen Now tab. And here you will find a lot of things. First of all, you will find the recommendations of Apple Music, the music that they recommend for you based on what you listened before. And also they will show you the recently played music or songs. You will find them here. Also, you will find like similar songs to the songs that you listened, some recommendation. Also, they prepare a playlist of new music prepared especially for you. Of course, always based on what you have listened before. More stations that you can listen to. You will find the music that can fit to your mood. If you are on love, you want to relax, you are feeling energized, you are feeling good. Also, they will give you that recommendations of songs, like with the same mood of the songs that you like. And you will find like a lot of other recommendations for you. And at the end of it, you will find your like previous month most replayed music. But for me, I think it's empty because I didn't listen to a lot of songs with Apple Music. But normally you will find the music that you listened to and you replayed a lot during the last month. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.